You're looking for a helping hand. You need a friendly face. Feeling good, you can barely stand. You're falling all over the place. You're looking for a helping hand. You need a friendly face. Feeling good, you can barely stand. You're falling all over the place. You own it, they got it, they flown it, you bought it. Ow! Do you wanna be a bad man? Yes, you do. Do you wanna taste sweet salvation underneath the summer moon? Do you need another head now? Yes, you do. Go see Miss Josie down on Columbus Avenue. Columbus Avenue. Ha! Go see Miss Josie down on Columbus Avenue. Columbus Avenue. Ha! Go see Miss Josie down on Columbus Avenue. You're looking for a helping hand. You need a friendly face. Feeling good, you can barely.
Oh my goodness.
This is the lounge.
Nice. Whoa.
You're falling all over the place. You're looking for a helping hand. You need a friendly face. Feeling good, you can barely stand. You're falling all over the place. You own it, they got it, they flown it, you bought it. Ow!
Well, who's going to be the first one to ride their bike across?
I think we can do it. Let's put a couple pieces of wood across here. We should be able to make it.
Yeah, if anybody can do it, it's Tom.
Yeah, Tom can do it.
Yeah, because
then you're
he's
next?
already electric, so he's the best candidate.
Falls, Michigan, along the Upper Peninsula. And let's see, the water's been beautiful. I really kind of want to jump in, but you know, us Florida boys. So here you go. Oh boy, that's a step. Ooh. I like the sound of the echo, the water hitting the wall that coming down off of the granite surface of the wall.
Go see Miss Josie down on. Do you wanna be a bad man? Yes, you do. Do you wanna taste sweet salvation underneath the summer moon? Do you need another hand now? Yes, you do. Go see Miss Josie down on Columbus Avenue. Down in the city.
Lake Superior is also a very long lake stretching from Duluth, Minnesota to Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, right around 350 miles. Miners Castle. You can see a trailhead that'll take you to Miners Falls. It's about a 3/4 of a mile hike. It's one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the UP. Sometimes referred to as Castle Rock. You can see where the Park Service have erected a few observation platforms.
Never sleeps. You can see it all up past 57th Street. Music is hot and the drinking there's free. It'll turn you upside down before you count to 3. You're looking for a helping hand. You need a friendly face. Feeling good, you can barely stand. You're falling all over the place. You're looking for a helping hand.
These large caves here are known as the Caves of All Colors. They're a good example of the wave action that carves out the soft thin layer of rock you see in the center of them. In the wintertime, when large waves crash into those caves, they'll pressurize and shoot out like a cannon. The wind will catch the spray from those waves, throw it back on top of the cliff and freeze, leaves 4 to 5 feet of ice up there. What look like little bushes are actually old stunted trees, stunted by the weight of the ice. And if you look down the shoreline, you'll see an archway. That's our Lover's Leap. Lover's Leap's changed quite a bit this last year. Several chunks of it have fallen.
You need a friendly face. Feeling good, you can barely stand. You're falling all over the place. You own it, they got it, they flown it. You
As the boat turns sideways, look at this point. You may be able to see a giant profile of a face looking out into the lake. Some people have a hard time seeing it though, especially at this time of day, so I'll point it out as best as I can. Well, they'll point out there's a nose, the chin's down at the water level. He has a jawline and a left ear hanging off the right hand side, kind of shining in the sun there. There's a horizontal line for a mouth, kind of looks like he's got some spinach in his teeth. He's got a round cheekbone, and just above it a yellowish spot for a left eye.
I don't see it, Mom.
Do you wanna be a bad man? Yes, you do. Do you wanna taste sweet salvation underneath the summer moon? Do you need another head now?
Some people say it looks a lot like the Stanley Cup. And the next formations are known as the drums. Kind of look like elephant's feet or bear's legs. And they say when a 20-foot high wave comes crashing into the mouth of the drums, it makes a sound much like thunder.
We're coming up to a section of rocks right up here. But if you want to stand up and move around the boat, take some pictures, you're welcome to it.
Yes, you do. Go see Miss Josie down on Columbus Avenue. Columbus Avenue. Ha! Go see Miss Josie down on Columbus Avenue. Columbus Avenue. Ha! Go see Miss Josie down on Columbus Avenue. You're looking for